we are looking at how you can lose weight without exercising. So if you have belly fats and you'd like to lose weight without exercising, you hate exercising, my dear, you just need lemon and baking soda. Trust me, this home recipe is very effective. You will get results in just 7 days. So let us start mixing our home recipe so that we get to know the procedures. I want you to get for me just a half spoon of baking soda, guys. Just a half spoon of baking soda, as you see, a half spoon of baking soda. Trust me, this is amazing recipe which will help you to lose weight without exercising and doesn't have side effects. From that, get for me warm water, 1 glass, okay? But please, before we finish this video, if you have not yet, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Coach Uganda. Please subscribe right now. Invite your friends and of course leave a comment, and don't forget to share this video to your friends, guys. Okay? Don't forget to mix your recipe very well. As you see, I have added a half spoon of baking soda and warm water. Lastly, we need lemon. Okay? We need to add just 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Trust me, this is amazing recipe which will help you to lose weight without exercising. Trust me, very effective and it doesn't have side effects. So you just need to take this home recipe and thank me later. Because some people, you don't want to exercise, but you'd like to lose weight. So why not? You just need baking soda, warm water, and lemon juice. Okay? Now, for lemon juice, guys, add for me just 1 spoon. Okay? 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, guys. Make sure that you mix very well. Okay? It means you need only 3 different ingredients. You need warm water, you need baking soda, and you need lemon juice. Okay? Please subscribe, invite your friends to my YouTube channel, leave a comment in the comment section, and of course, we can be friends on TikTok, Coach Uganda, YouTube, Coach Uganda, and Facebook, Coach Uganda. So guys, as you see, our home recipe is very ready. So I just want you to take this home recipe very early in the morning on your empty stomach. Okay, just 1 glass. Trust me, take it every day on empty stomach before eating anything. Every day. It doesn't have side effects, it doesn't have overdose, but I recommend you to take just 1 glass every day on empty stomach. You'll start seeing good results. This is the best recipe for you to lose weight without exercising, guys. Like the video, comment, share, invite your friends to my YouTube channel, Coach Uganda. I love you so much. God bless you. Bye-bye.